Ain't this some bullshit mix. Yeah, now we're at 50. I had cottage cheese for breakfast, drinking sugar coffee. Yeah, on the low there, sugar gets the more better. Here we are in the treasure chest, our fruit snacks, I guess. I mean, what the fuck, man? How much am I supposed to fucking eating and fucking drinking? Like I said, I said a fucking 11-track Vengeance album. How about this shit? One fruit snack. Two fruit snacks. Ugh. Yep, dropping fruit snacks in the hands. Three fucking fruit snacks, sugar coffee. Then you ain't doing anything, you see if I couldn't time it better. Fuck this shit, guys. Oh, God, no. This ain't gonna fall Reaper at all. Not at all. Like I said, I drank the whole top bag of pop. I didn't fucking think I'd be fucking fighting red numbers like this. I ain't fucking, I thought I'd make it to the first, man, for food stamps. But, yeah, don't forget that, we're on food stamp. Should I have microwave burritos at fucking 9:30 in the morning? Cool. Doctors. Multiple. I mean, asbestos told us to fuck off. There's about half a cup of sugar in there, by the way, too, in my coffee. So, cool.